Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetrainingvideos.com. It's 12:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good to be back home after that trip to Vegas, and glad we could work with everybody from that venue, but also nice to be back in the home office. So stocks are up, but sort of feeling that a little bit here after their session high. Look at this unfilled gap though from this morning. So we're looking at the S&P 500 ETF, the spiders, and a gap up into this gap, right? And then 1-2 bars up on a 15-minute chart is your 30-minute high right there. So beautiful to see that above all of those highs again and right into an exact number of 111.64. So we were talking about this as resistance, as these swing highs as resistance areas, and this little pinching that we had. Then we had a gap down, nice support, a couple of tests of that. People again kind of freak out about that, but we had not yet cleared the swing lows. And if you look at a higher time frame, you can see that we were still on this high base, even though this is starting to become a pullback of sorts, and now we've got right back up into it. So nice to be able to chew this around a little bit, and now we're pulling back. I'm looking for the next swing low so I can mark it, and once it's marked, then I'll be able to look at this sort of how the sentiment reads of that chart, and that's an important thing to do. On a smaller time frame, a little 3-minute chart here, you can see we've gapped up past a lot of resistances and just chewing around sideways here. So that's not even much of a retrace after a beautiful run up to such a high. Very nicely bullish. Looks like the home sales numbers came in better than expected, and so now we have a long upper shadow, a sell-off of sorts, and we're still now in this high base area. On a higher time frame, opening the week here, that's a great start bull-wise to this market after a few tests of that areas of resistance. So I really like that. Let's take a look intraday now a little closer at the VIX. See if this is confirmed, which it is beautifully. And now we're actually looking for this to clear these swing lows through here after a beautiful sell-off and hardly any retracement back up. 21. Unbelievable to have bled out volatility that greatly. And you can see that these were the retracement areas I was looking at before. I now get to remove that, and we can see that we're at the 21 mark that was already laid in here. I can show you the 21 mark is right through here. So this swing low, these would be great areas of support, and that's the $20 mark. So that would be the next target for me if we do sell off below this level, this nice little low base slash high base in the broad markets. And the trend, let's take a look at that. Very nice, 0.6, not too overly bullish, which is great. The trend Q, 1.0, right in the neutral range, so that sort of confirms the consolidation that we have brewing right now. So everything's looking great. I hope you guys are having a great trading day so far, and look forward to D7's video coming up pretty soon.